Hey there, fellow history enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intriguing stories that shaped our world. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. Get ready to embark on a journey through time as we unveil the surprising untold aspects of Indonesia's independence struggle, focusing on Sukarno and the birth of a nation in 1945. Brace yourselves for a captivating story that will leave you in awe. Before we delve into the life of Sukarno, let's set the stage. Indonesia, a land of diverse cultures and breathtaking beauty, was once a Dutch colony for over 350 years. Fast forward to World War II, when the Japanese occupied Indonesia during their brutal expansion. Little did they know that this occupation would inadvertently fuel the fire of independence. But wait, did you know that there was a secret underground resistance movement against the Japanese rule? Yes, it existed, and it laid the groundwork for Indonesia's journey towards independence. Brave men and women risked their lives to fight for their nation's freedom. Their stories, often unsung, are a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Indonesian people. Now, let's turn our attention to a pivotal figure in Indonesia's struggle for independence, Sukarno. Born in 1901, this charismatic leader was a man of the people. Sukarno's passion for his homeland and unwavering dedication to its cause made him a force to be reckoned with. But here's the surprising part. Sukarno was a skilled poet and orator. His powerful speeches moved the masses and ignited the flame of nationalism in their hearts. Imagine a leader whose words had the power to bring an entire nation together. That's Sukarno for you. The year was 1945, and the world was still reeling from the aftermath of World War II. Seizing this moment of vulnerability, Sukarno, along with other prominent figures like Muhammad Hatta, Sukarno, and Ki Hajar Dewantara, took a bold step. On August 17, 1945, they issued Indonesia's Proclamation of Independence. Here's a lesser-known fact: the proclamation was read out by Sukarno on a radio broadcast. It was a daring move, considering the Japanese were still occupying the country at the time. The proclamation marked the birth of a new nation and the beginning of a tumultuous journey toward sovereignty. Indonesia may have declared its independence, but the road ahead was riddled with challenges. The Dutch, who had ruled the archipelago for centuries, were not willing to let go of their prized colony so easily. Did you know that Sukarno's diplomatic skills played a crucial role in gaining international support for Indonesia's cause? He embarked on a relentless journey, meeting with world leaders, appealing to the United Nations, and rallying global support. His efforts were instrumental in putting Indonesia on the world map. After years of struggle, Indonesia's efforts finally bore fruit. On December 27, 1949, the Dutch officially recognized Indonesia as an independent nation. It was a moment of triumph and jubilation for the Indonesian people. Here's a fascinating twist: Sukarno became Indonesia's first president. His leadership was characterized by a vision of unity and a commitment to national development. Though challenges persisted, Sukarno's unwavering dedication laid the foundation for a nation on the rise. And there you have it, the incredible story of Sukarno and Indonesia's independence struggle. From a clandestine resistance movement to the proclamation of independence and the birth of a new nation, it's a tale that exemplifies the power of determination and the strength of a united people. I hope you enjoyed this surprising and eye-opening journey through history. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories from around the world. Until next time, this is your host signing off. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our shared past.